guys, welcome back to this another video. Today I am going to be showing you my best fidgets. Not my bad fidgets, my good, like really good fidgets. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell and like this video. So let's get started. So, the first one, today I have brought this mini butterfly rainbow puppet. Hear this sound, ready? Do you hear that mini pop? You get it? Then the next fidget, do not look, is this hexagon glitter purple puppet. And then this big simple dimple that I love. And then this burger squishy, it squishes really good. Then this flippy octopus. Then this little pink and blue simple dimple. It also pops very good. And then this Love Heart rainbow puppet. Hear this. Even on the bad pop side, it does. Oh my gosh, that is so good, really good. Then this blue tack, I just thought it was a fidget. This Orby yellow princess stress ball. Then this circle puppet, and yeah, I'm good. Before I leave, please comment down below which fidget you like the best. I like the poppets the best and the simple dimples and this mini poppet because I just got it today. Bye!